First, take out the tools we need to use. Before cleaning, it is recommended to wear anti-static gloves, which can effectively prevent secondary pollution or drop damage. Check if the sensor is dirty. Set the camera to AV mode. Adjust the aperture to f16. Switch to MF. Adjust the focusing distance to infinity. Set the white balance to auto. Set the exposure compensation to 0. Set the ISO to 200. Take a photo against a white wall or white paper, enlarge it on the computer, and carefully check for black spots or dirt. The actual position of the dust and the position shown in the image from a central symmetry transformation. For example, if the dust is in the upper right corner of the image, it corresponds to the lower left corner in the actual space. Cleaning the sensor. To avoid circuit abnormalities or damage caused by unexpected power loss, it is recommended to keep the battery level above 80%. Set the camera's sensor cleaning function to manual cleaning mode. Take out the sensor cleaning swab. The sensor cleaning swab is vacuum sealed. Ensure it is dust-free and clean before use. Step 1. First, use the manual air blower to blow off surface loose dust to prevent hard particles from scratching the sensor. Step 2. Put 1 drop of sensor cleaning fluid on the tip of the cleaning swab and wait for it to spread out. Step 3. Hold the part of the swab body with the logo between your thumb and index finger to get a stable grip point. Step 4. Gently slide from left to right. Flip the swab over and slide again from left to right. If too much cleaning fluid causes water spots, you can tear off a new cleaning swab without adding any cleaning fluid and repeat step 4. Viewfinder cleaning. Use the air blower first to blow off loose dust. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe off oil stains and fingerprints. Cleaning the lens and LCD screen. Remove the lens. Close the camera body cap. First, use the air blower to blow off large dust particles on the surface. Spray a small amount of cleaning fluid onto the cleaning cloth. Wipe the lens from the inside out. It's not recommended to use the same piece of cleaning cloth. It is recommended to use cotton swabs to wipe the lens gaps. Use the round tip of the cleaning pen to clean fingerprints and oil stains on the lens. The triangular tip can be used to clean fingerprints and oil stains on the viewfinder. After cleaning, remember to put the lens cap back on. Different cleaning tools are suitable for different needs. Use the brush end of the cleaning pen to wipe dust off the camera body. Use cotton swabs to wipe the gaps on the camera body, such as the hot shoe slot and buttons. You can turn on the electric air blower and set it to low or medium speed. Blow off the dust on the camera body. Okay, that's a complete camera cleaning done.